सो गाइस क्या होगा अगर कोई 500 पुशअप्स कर ले। तो गाइस आज हम इसी चैलेंज को पूरा करने वाले हैं। तो आज हम 500 पुशअप्स चैलेंज करने वाले हैं। तो आज का वीडियो इतना आसान नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि 500 पुशअप्स कोई इतना आसान नहीं होने वाला आज का चैलेंज। तो आप कमेंट करके बताइए कि हम 500 पुशअप्स कर सकते हैं कि नहीं। तो वीडियो को बिना कोई देरी के हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं हम 500 पुशअप्स चैलेंज पूरा कर सकते हैं कि नहीं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, no pain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on. I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Now I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. How careless we could be.
It's too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could be. Please, oh my God,
I should've cut you off, I knew something was wrong. I shouldn't have to call you back, 'cause now you're mad and you think I dropped the ball. That's a bridge I haven't crossed, not my fault that you're pissed off. You shouldn't have to treat me like this, treat me like this. Now I'm all alone once again. I just wanna talk, and you don't wanna listen, baby, I don't get it all. She don't love me, she loves drugs and alcohol. She said that's how I'm involved, everything that happened. Oh no, I don't wanna talk about it. Used to wanna talk to you, but lately I've been doubting. Shawty went outside, grabbed a bottle and she downed it. I thought I lost my sense of pride, but recently I found it. Once again, now I'm back on the cycle. Walk inside the function thinking maybe I just might go. Me and your friends, really not that tight, ho. It's all good now, they all had to cut you off. I knew something was wrong. I shouldn't have to call you back, 'cause now you're mad and you think I dropped the ball. That's a bridge I haven't crossed, not my fault that you're pissed off.
सो गाइस, आज आपको आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके बताइए। तो अगर आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। तो आपके लिए ऐसी वर्कआउट से जुड़ी हुई वीडियो हम आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे और ऐसे मोटिवेशनल और चैलेंज वीडियो लाते रहेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।